Hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening, Moon. Oh, wow.
Teacher,
Hello. Good
can
evening,
you
Moon. It's nice to see you again. Can you hear
again?
can you hear teacher?
Yes,
Yes, okay, very good. So now, it's nice to see you again and welcome again to our class today. So how are you today, Moon?
I'm happy. Today I'm happy.
Okay, very good. Wow, that's good to know that you are happy today. But instead of saying so we can say I'm. I
Wow.
am
The
happy. Wow. What is wow? What did you see? What are this?
what?
What did you see? Why did you say wow? Wow. Okay, so before we continue our lesson, Moon, so instead of saying today I happy, you will say today I am happy. Okay, can you try that one? So how are you today, Moon?
Teacher,
Oh
teacher
yeah,
have a here. Bam
pew pew. What is that? What is that? What is pew pew? What is that? Okay.
Teacher,
Yes,
I see the bee.
I see. Yes. Where is the bee? Can you circle? Can you circle the bee in the picture? Circle, circle. Okay, very good. What is the color of the bee that you can see in the picture? What color is it? It's what color is it? It's yellow.
What?
What what color is the bee in the
What?
picture?
What, teacher?
Ah, you cannot hear me?
Wow, I like.
Wow. Okay, what color is the bee in the picture? What color? It's yellow,
It's
black,
red.
and what is it? How about her wings or its wings? What color is its wings?
It's sunny.
Ah, it's sunny. Okay, very good. In the picture, it's
Wow,
sunny. Wow. Okay.
wow.
Okay, so now let's check. Let's check in the picture. What animals are this?
We just have one color red. I do not have one red.
Oh, you don't have a red? You can choose. You can choose the color there, I think. You can choose
Drawing color red.
you can
I
choose
do
color
not get
pink. I think you can choose it in your pen. You can change
color.
the
I
color.
like color pink.
Oh, you like color pink. You can choose color pink like this.
Bird.
Bird. Oh, very good. These are birds. And what are
So
the
I do
birds?
not want the
Oh,
pink. Wow, it. I like green. I like the green.
you like
Green,
green.
green,
Green.
green. I
Green.
like the color green.
Wow, very good.
From
What?
I like the from green.
Oh, that's good that you like color green. Okay, so now what are the birds doing in
Teacher do
in
not
this picture?
teacher do not even say I like the color green.
Oh, you like color green. Okay, I will use color green also. Chanin, color green, but we cannot see color green. Okay, now Moon, let's read the sentence here. What are the birds doing? The birds, the birds are
But or is or
Sing. Ah,
The
what are you
boys
doing? Singing.
singing. La 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 la
La la
la.
la 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 la. La. Where are they? Are they on a house? On the tree?
Yes, on the tree.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's say the birds are singing on the tree.
But but isn't heaven sunny? Or the birds are singing on the tree.
Okay, wow, very good. So next, let's have our let's have our next animal here. Oh, this is not an animal. What
No,
is
it's
this?
no. It's a rainbow. I have a rainbow. I like rainbow.
Oh, can I see your rainbow?
I
I
like rainbow and
ah,
her.
yes, wow, that's good that you like a
I have
rainbow. Oh, what is that? How can you do that? Oh, heart. Ching.
her.
How you do that? Huh? How is that? Mm, like
Her.
that? Heart? Is this correct?
I have no her. Baby said
Oh, oh.
no.
How to do that? Ching.
I like her and rainbow.
Okay, now, Moon, what can we see
Where
in the sky? I I see.
I see rainbow. Rainbow heaven. Pew!
I see a rainbow in the what? In the
Is the sky.
very
No,
good.
on the sky.
Oh, is it
I
on the sky? No, it's not on the sky. It's just in the sky because it is not at the top of the sky.
jump in the bed jump.
Okay. How about this one? What is the girl doing?
The girl is she is right bike.
Okay, very good. So
But
let's say one more
the
time.
bike has the scars. Hmm.
Huh?
Ding 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 ding. Bang 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 bang.
Okay, one more time. Let's say this word again. Let's say riding. Instead of saying ride, let's say riding.
Have a
Riding.
bang 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 bang. But
Bam,
only
bam, bam.
one rabbit. Bang bang
Rabbit.
bang bang.
Bam, 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 bam. Do you have a bike, Moon? Do you have
Yeah,
a bike? Yes. What color is your bike?
it's it's brown.
Oh, your
The
color.
door is
How about
brown.
your bike? Your. How about Moon's bike? What color is Moon's bike? What
She is riding.
she is riding a bike. Very good. Okay, so next, what can you see in the picture? What are they doing? What are the children doing? The kids love
Love
playing in the
is the
where are they playing? What is this? Is this the rainbow? Is this the rainbow moon? Yes or no? Are they
I like her.
oh who? Who do you
Wow.
like? Wow. Where are the kids
Her,
playing? Are they
her,
playing in the rainbow moon? Are they
her,
playing in the rainbow?
her,
Yes or no?
her, her.
Heart, heart, heart. Heart to heart to heart to. Okay. Are they playing in the
Teacher,
rainbow?
do not compare.
Hmm?
Ah! Her,
What? what are the kids doing? The kids love playing in the where? Where are they playing? Are they playing in the rainbow? No. No. Or
Wow.
where are they playing? They are playing in the kids love
Wait. His love in the
in the what is this? Do you still remember? Shh.
oh her.
Shh.
I like her. Did you have a her?
Oh, I have a
I'm not.
heart. Oh, your microphone is off. Off microphone. Teacher can hear you. Oh no. What is happening? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Oh yeah. You're back,
What?
you're back. What? Okay, one more time.
But
Where? Oh,
teacher,
yes.
teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Why?
teacher haven't heard. I like her, but her is small. I like her big. Teacher, teacher haven't heard big. I don't
Mm.
want
Oh, you don't
small.
have? Huh? A small?
Aha! I like small big mouse. Ah, teacher
Ah,
big, teacher mouse.
teacher. Okay. Okay. What what can you see in the picture, Moon? What can you see? Is this the rainbow? Is this a rainbow?
No,
No. What is it? It's the
the red
rain. We call it
no
as the rain.
is the please
Please?
red.
In the rain. One more time, I say rain. Rain. Rain, rain, rain. Oh no, why is Moon not talking? Let's say rain, rain, rain. Rain, rain, rain. Shh. 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 It's the rain. Okay, Moon. Do you like? Oh, where is Moon? Moon left the Zoom. What is happening? Moon, where are you, Moon? Moon. Oh no. Moon? Moon, 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 moon. Moon, moon, moon. What happened, Moon?
Well, teacher.
Hello. What happened?
Bấm nhá.
Okay. Okay. You left the room. Oh no. Okay, so now, Moon, do you like to play or do you love to play in the rain? Yes or no? Do you love to play in the rain? Hmm. No? No. No, I don't like. No. Oh, you don't like playing in the rain. Hmm. Okay. Okay, next. Let's look at this picture. What are
Wow, I like rabbit. I like rabbit. I rabbits. I see three rabbit. I like rabbit.
Wow,
Rabbit is
very good. Very good. These are rabbits. But what do we call? What
white.
do we call well, what do we call the small rabbits? What is the name of a small rabbit? What is the name of a small rabbit? It is
It is
small rabbit
it
is we call bunny.
because bunny.
Bunny, bunny, bunny. So instead of saying rabbits, so we call them rabbits. Rabbits, bunnies. Okay, one more time. Let's read the sentence. The bunnies are so
The
cute.
bunny. The
Are
bunny.
are
Bunny. Or which
so cute.
for the rabbit.
Huh?
This is the rabbit. Bunny have rabbits. Small rabbits.
Okay, very good. Small rabbits is what we call bunny or bunnies. So we will call them bunny if we only have one, but we call them bunnies if we have many, many rabbits. Like in the
But
picture, in the
but but having bunny is for which you the bang bang. But only is have it.
Okay, so now let's read the sentence that we have here. The bunnies, the
Hand.
bunnies are so cute with white fur.
Have a
The
her.
bunnies.
I
The
have her.
okay, let's read. The bunnies are so cute. Are so
Or so
cute
cute
with
with
white
bunny. The bunny also wish what
whoosh.
you
Okay, let's say cute. K k cute instead of whoosh. Cute. Let's say
bunny.
are
Oh no,
so
I haven't heard.
er. Okay, let's read cute. Let's say cute,
I
cute, cute,
I
cute, 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 cute.
kiss, kiss, kiss.
Okay, one more time. K k cute.
Okay, but
K k cute.
cute,
Cute. Cute.
cute, cute,
K cute.
cute,
Cute. Okay,
cute.
very good. Nice. Nice job. Nice job. With white fur. With white fur. White fur.
Wifer.
Okay, very good. So next. Oh, let's have this question. So have you got a bike, Moon? Have you got a bike? Yes?
Yeah, if I have a bike,
Oh, you have a bike?
teacher is the bike.
Do you have a bike? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, very good. So
I have a bike.
what color is your bike,
Yeah,
Moon? What color is your bike?
it's free.
Oh, your bike is color.
Red, yellow.
Huh? Not
Flower,
in
flower is but I like flower.
Oh, you like flower. Wow, very good.
Something
Not
red and something red yellow. It's black, but it's evening.
evening. Okay, how about your bike, Moon? Not in the picture. What color is your bike?
It's yellow. Ah, no, yellow is flower.
Oh, your bike is flower and it's color yellow? Huh?
No,
No? Your brother said no.
I
Why is that?
have
Okay.
the flower
The flower.
is is black and or is the name
Oh,
flower.
it is the your bike's name. Your bike's name is flower. Is that correct?
The see the bice.
Oh, wow. Okay. Next question, Moon. Can you ride Can you ride a bike, Moon? Can you ride a bike? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes, I can. Let's say, yes,
I don't
I
see the
can.
but
Huh?
I can.
Oh, yes, I can. Very good. Good job that you can ride.
Teacher haven't when the the only is the
Okay, so next we have here, what animals are this, Moon? Chinin, what animals are this? These are,
these are bird. Well, bird is free too. The rabbit,
very good.
the rabbit is free. The bird free too. I
Very good.
out.
Wow. How many birds are there? How many?
Mm,
One,
one,
two,
three.
three. Okay, let's say there are
There are three. Teacher do not
three.
have it. Teacher, I will
Yes.
pressure. So,
Huh?
teacher, I eraser. I.
Eraser? Okay,
Oh,
now, where are the birds? Where are the birds, Moon? Where are the birds? Are they on a tree?
mm,
Are they on a tree? Yes or no?
mm,
Are the birds on the tree or on the
oh.
branch of the tree? Yes or no?
It's
Ye-
the
On the
on the green stick.
branch. Okay, let's say they are on
Mm,
the
on the
branches
branches
of
of
the
the tree.
tree. Very good. Okay, next question, Moon. Do you think they are family? Yes or no? Do you think they are family? Do you think these birds are family? Yes,
Oh,
yes or no?
mm,
Are they
it's
family? Yes or no? So,
mm,
so look, they have the same colors with each other. Do you think they are family?
yeah,
Hmm. Yes, very good. Good job. So yes, they have
yes,
they
they
are
they are
a
family,
family
a family
because
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 because us
they
have
have
they have
the
the
same
same color.
color. Okay, very good. What colors are they? Or what color are they, Moon? What color are the birds? They are color. What
The
color are
color,
they?
the color green. The bird is brown. The
Very
eye
good.
is, is black. The
Okay.
yellow.
Very good. Wow, good job. So look, so they are all color brown and their mouths are all color yellow and their eyes, as what you have said, they are color black. So very good. So nice. Okay. How about this one, Moon? What are
The
these?
flower.
The flowers. Very good. Do you know the name of these flowers? Do you know the name of these flowers? Yes or no?
Yes.
What?
The what
What?
is a flower? I like flower.
Yes, you like flower. Very good. But for their names,
The purple.
okay, so for their names, we call them flower, but they have their names. So we have here these two, the red and purple. We call them tulips. Tulips.
Tulips.
Okay, let's
Tulip.
say, okay, very good, tulips. And this yellow, very good. And this yellow flowers, we call them daffodils. Daffo
Daffodil.
Okay, one more time. Daffodils.
Daffodil.
Okay, perfect. So these are tulips. These are daffodils.
Two plus two equal four.
Two plus six. Very good.
Red
Wow, nice.
tulips.
Wow, very good. Good job. So next. Okay. Moon, do you okay, this one. What is this? Is this the
About
rainbow? Is this the rainbow? Yes or
no.
no? No. What is this?
It's
This
red.
is rain. Very good. Okay. How about this? Is
What?
this
It's
this
rainbow. I like rainbow.
very good? Wow. How many colors has a rainbow have? How many
It's
colors?
red,
One,
yellow.
two,
One,
three.
two, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. How many? There are
There are 8.
eight. Are you sure? No. One, two,
No, 1,
three, four, five, 6, and 7.
7.
So how many colors? There are 7
7
colors.
colors.
Okay, very good. So there are 7 colors in a rainbow. So very good. So next, let's have this one. Okay. So before we end our lesson, Moon, can you tell teacher what are the things? Can you tell teacher based on the picture what
Yes,
are the things that you can
please,
see
please.
in the spring?
Đùa im đi.
What are the things that you can see in the spring? Oh no. Okay, so we will continue this question in our next class, okay?
It rain.
Okay, so we will continue the question. So make sure to review what are the things that we can see in the spring. Okay,
Wow!
Moon?
Teacher, teacher AB.
Sure is big. Goodbye. Goodbye, Moon. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, Moon. See you again soon.
She said.